Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to record audio with a mic on Windows. Now, first off, there are different ways to do this, and right now I am currently using OBS. Most modern computers detect microphones immediately once you plug them in. In my case, it is going through a USB port, and for example, here on OBS, you can add here on the sources, this is audio input capture. Now you can also record with your screen, but I will record with this. Now, simply go to add existing and then click on the mic aux. Or in my case, since I have it here, you can go to properties, and as you can see, this is the mic that I'm using. Now, another way to do this without having to download OBS, if you're on the desktop or anywhere for that matter, you can press Windows Shift S and it will bring us to the snipping tool. Now, this may only be a recent feature, but with the snipping tool, we already have the option to record videos, but that doesn't bring us the full list of options. So what we actually have to do is type in snipping tool. Go to settings. This is turned on by default. I simply turn this off, but if you put that on, once you select the area you want to record on the screen, it also has the option to select a mic. And that is among the fastest way that you can start recording audio with a mic on your computer without having to download any third-party software. However, we'll be covering how that's done on Audacity, but that will be a separate video. Again, I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring your notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.